Welcome to the third episode of our Review Bluebeam tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to use the length measurement tools, the area measurement tools, and how to calculate volume from areas as well. So let's begin. As you can see, this is the user interface of our Review Bluebeam software, and on the left hand side panel we'll click on the measurements tab, and then it will open up the measurements options. So if you click on the length button here as well, so it will open up the length measurement tool, and then from here you can just add subject line for lengths, the labels, add also depth and slope, and you can also change the units as well as I've discussed in the first tutorial of our series. So let's just do let's say that it's the length. Our subject line should be length, just length, and our label should be x direction, and then we'll just start our x direction length from here to say here. So that's how you do the x direction length, and then I'm going to change my label to y direction, and then we'll do the y direction length as well. So if we click on the here and then here, and then it will say y direction length, and if you press escape, then it will get out of the length measurement tool, and you can just click on it, drag it on the side of the document by holding shift as well at the same time, and then you drag that out, so it's both y direction showing. So in order to change individual ones, you just go to the markup tool here, and then you go to the first one, and then you change it to x direction. See, x direction, I guess. I think it changes, yeah. So that's how you do it. Okay. Now next is the area measurement tool. So this is the area, so you click on the area measurement tools and it will open up and activate the area measurements. So I'm going to show you how you can do the area measurements for one. I'm going to show you how do you do the measurements for one wall, and you can just practice with all the walls in the plan and calculate as well. I'm going to show you two walls, show you how you can calculate the volume as well. So let's do this wall. So you just keep on clicking on around the perimeter, and then press enter after done. So press enter and it will calculate the area as well. And then I'm gonna do this wall as well, so this long wall, the thinner walls as well, so this thin wall as well, and then click on that, click on the other point, and then done. So as you can see from the markup area, it's calculating the areas as well. So it's the first wall is 25.02 square feet, and the second one is 9.49 square feet, and the summation of this is 34.50 square feet. So if you click on the first one and change the depth value from the area measurement tool properties, and then it will calculate the volume. As you can see, the volume is 250.19. so as same as like that as well. So area, select the measurements that you want to change, put on the depth, and then it will calculate the volume as well. So after you add up all the walls, then you'll have the total amount of volume required for all the walls as well. You'll get the idea of that. So it's very autonomous and it's very robust application in order to do the quantity takeoffs. So I'll see you in the next episode. I'll continue our work from here as well.